In this video, we will discuss user customization, information, data management menu. You can see two menus in the left menu, backup and delete, and reset data. And we will first discuss about reset data menu. By using this menu, you can request to reset all your data so that any data except for company information and user ID can be deleted by ECOUNT. If you request reset, then all data of your company code will be eliminated forcibly by ECOUNT, and the task will take place after 10 p.m. of the day, KST, and you need to make sure to not make any changes to your data after 10 p.m. of the day. And you can select reset condition, whether to reset all data or whether to reset except for a few types of data. If you select this option, then in exclusion target field at the bottom, you can select the type of data that will be excluded from the data reset. Click the magnifying glass and you can check basic codes, which will be excluded from the data reset. So if you check some certain types of basic codes and apply and request reset data, then any data excluding the selected types of basic code will be reset and be deleted after the day of the request. So please use this menu if you want to start from the beginning and make your company code reset. And moving on, you can use backup and delete menu to batch, delete, or back up your data of your company code. And you can see two tabs at the top. You can back up or delete basic codes and transactions like sales slips, accounting, general journal vouchers, and so forth. And you can process data for each module: inventory, accounting, manage, groupware, and CS portal. And firstly, for backup, you can click Excel or Excel Web Uploader button on the right side of each type of data to download the corresponding data. If you click Excel button, then you can back up data in an Excel file by setting the search conditions to filter the data to be backed up. And you can set various conditions, and if you do not select any condition and click backup button, then the entire data of the data type will be downloaded. And once the backup is complete, you will receive the result via ERP Messenger. Click the message and you will find the backed up download file in the chat room. You can also use Excel Web Uploader button to back up data. In this case, you need to set the range of the data that you will back up. For example, for item codes, you can set the beginning item code, let's say 000001, and the last item code, for example, let's say the one at the lowest bottom, to back up all the item codes between the two item codes, and up to 10,000 data. In this case, 10,000 item codes will be able to be downloaded per download. And if the target data exceed 10,000 item codes, then it'll be split into a few Excel files and be backed up. and the maximum number of data that can be backed up at once is 100,000. And you can use the two buttons for backup, but the difference between them is that if you click Excel, it'll convert all data of item codes into an Excel file. The downloaded file will contain all information of each item code. However, if you click Web Uploader button, then it'll edit some information of each item code to fit your Web Uploader download template, which means that the Web Uploader backup button will export only the information included in these columns of Web Uploader template. So some data might be missing, and in that case you can use Excel button instead. Next, you can use Delete button on the right side of each type of data to batch delete data. And just like backup, you can set the condition for the data to be deleted. For example, all items that include Z in their item name. And you can click Delete button. And then you will be required to enter the CAPTCHA to confirm the batch deletion, since it's a major change to your data. For example, if you want to delete all sales slips of the year of 2020, you can set the date range to 2020 and click Delete to delete any sales slip whose date is within the year of 2020. And you can enter the CAPTCHA and click Delete to delete them. And then the result will be notified via Messenger, and deleted data will not be able to be restored. So please be careful for deleting data. And lastly, you can find the file deletion history by going to Option at the top right, Deleted Data History. You can find who deleted which data at which point.